Tim Hortons gift card on the app. In this video, you are going to learn how to apply for Tim Hortons gift card on the app. So let's get started. The first step is downloading and installing the Tim Hortons app. Make sure you have the latest version. You can download it from the App Store if you are an iPhone user or Google Play Store if you are using an Android device. If you do not have a Tim Hortons account, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Open the Tim Hortons app and look for the section related to your account or profile. This may be labeled as My Tim Hortons or something similar. After that, the next step is add or manage gift card. Within your card account section, there should be an option to add or manage gift cards. Enter the required information from your Tim Hortons gift card. This typically includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. Review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your Tim Hortons account. The last step is after adding the gift card, you may want to check the card balance to ensure it reflects the correct amount. That's all. That's how you will be able to apply for Tim Hortons gift card on the application.